Hello traders, it's your one and only Forex Q coach Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you guys here today. I know it's been quite a long time and that I haven't posted a strategy, but today we got me here again. Alright, before I will start to say anything or do anything, let me just get off this trade because it's already overdue according to the strategy. Okay, as you could see, is a trade that is a very long sell, right? So with this strategy that I'm about to teach you guys, you can use it to trade long, and you can also use it to catch quite a few spikes. Okay, if this is your first time on my channel, could you do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, alright, so that you don't get to miss out anything whenever I post a new strategy. You don't want to miss it, because over here in this channel, all I post are winning strategies. Okay, so the next thing you want to do right now is to go straight to the description below. All right, this is where I post quite a lot of informations that you do not want to miss, and sometimes I post signals, and sometimes I post analysis that you don't want to miss out. As you can see, currently we are 2.3 thousand. Whoa, congratulations to you guys. You guys are doing absolutely well. All right, the way you're supporting me in this, I'm so grateful to you guys. All right, let's keep growing and let's keep winning. All right, and I'll keep doing my best to make sure I continue to show you guys ways to win in this market. Now recently, because I've been getting quite a lot of traders who's been asking me, hey team, don't you have a Facebook page? All right, so I had to create that recently, okay, which I posted here. You can see clearly this is the link to the Facebook page which I posted recently. So this page for, and now I've figured it out that it's gonna be a page where I'll be giving out free lectures. Okay, I'll be giving out free lectures that you would want to be part of it. Okay, as you can see, is gonna be an interactive one. Okay, where I'll post a photo and I'll give you explanation on things you need to understand about your trading. Okay, so it's gonna be something that I will be responding to all your comments. All right, I'll make sure that I'll be responding to all your comments. I'm gonna come back here in the next few hours once I'm done with what I'm doing and give response to all your comments. So whenever I upload a post in this page, I will be waiting for your questions, so I will give you response and answers to your questions. So I want to make sure that I help a lot of you. Now you see why I said I needed to leave the market, because this was where the market price was currently when I left the market. Okay, this is where price was, and I knew that the spike would begin. I should have just placed my buy opportunities. As you can see, currently price have really spiked up lately. All right, price have spiked lately. Okay, so it's a very simple strategy, all right, with three different indicators. You know how we do it here in this channel. I make it simple for everybody. Now the strategies says whenever the moving average, as you see the yellow moving average right now, okay, whenever the yellow moving average is a 1 minute time frame strategy, okay, because a lot of people are telling me, hey team, can you give us a 1 minute time frame strategy? All right, all my strategies are usually on 5 minute or 15 minute. Okay, so this is a 1 minute strategy. Now if you see the moving average, this yellow one, as you can see, if you see the yellow moving average cross over, let me see if I can get an arrow for this, it will be more easier. Okay, if you see the yellow moving average cross over this Ichimoku line, and also you want to make sure you wait for it to also cross over the Ichimoku down what's it called, circle span, or what is it? Let me see again. Okay, the up Kumo. All right, you want to make sure you allow the moving average to cross over the Ichimoku up Kumo. All right, once it crosses over it, you also want to get more confirmation from your relative strength index, which is below here in the Windows 2. Okay, and ask yourself, is it at over sold? Is it overbought? Is it worthy of buying or selling? All right, that's what you want to make sure that you do. Now you get to understand that not all the time you will see the moving average cross over 80. Okay, but I had to leave it at 80 because 80 is the highest, all right, so far, because when you see the moving average really gets there, as you can see in this one here, when you see it really get there, it proves a long selling opportunity. All right, it always proves a long selling opportunity. And when you see it really go down below the 20, all right, below this 20 line, it gives us long spikes that goes very high. As you can see in this junction here, you see how it was going high and high and high. All right, see how high it went. So that's why I left it at 20 and 80. So I want to make sure that I look out for price really getting to I want to make sure that I look out for price really getting going below 20. All right, so when it goes below 20, there's a video that I posted last. Okay, go check out that video. All right, I will put it, you can just click on the icon that pops out on the top right here right now. Okay, on the top left, I mean, you can click on it, or you go straight to the description below. I will drop the link there. Okay, that video explains how to use your relative strength index, okay, to really confirm when price has really gotten to a level where you can say is really overbought or oversold. And that's not what I have to explain here in this strategy, because I need to make this video short. So what you need to do is to watch that video and understand it more. Okay, so when you see price go below 20, your mind will be like, hey, it's oversold. But for you to be able to confirm, you want to go to your 5-minute time frame or 15-minute or a higher time frame to really confirm if price is truly at a support level or resistant level. Okay, that is you applying price action to your strategies. So the first rule is let the moving average cross over the up Kumo and the main Ichimoku line. All right, then you want to make sure that your relative strength index is coming from an overbought level. All right, take note, is not a must that it must touch, it's not a must that it must cross the 80 level. Okay, but I left it there because whenever it crosses it, it's always a very long sell. Okay, it's always a very long opportunity to sell. Okay, so if the price goes as high as this, all right, a bit close to the line, and then you notice the move on this area, trader, you can sell. All right, you can take your sell, but make sure you stay on a very low lot size. And I advise you always test run with your demo account. Test run it severally, because the reason why you need to test run it is not because the strategy is not good, and you must also understand that the strategy is not 100% accurate. Okay, there's actually no 100% strategy. Okay, I don't care who makes it, there's no 100% strategy. The only thing that makes a strategy good and strong for you to be able to call it 80% or 90% is when you practice that strategy well and continue to learn how to use it to take your entries. All right, there's been another spike. Whoa, another spike. Now you can see exactly what I'm talking about, traders. You can see price moving all the way high. All right, so if this price can if there could be another spike that would enter into this zone, all right, and begin to come down and out of it, and then I see the move from this from the upside here, I would know that is a very long sell, and I will confidently place my sell. Okay, so that's that for that. I'm sure in the community, in the boom and crash community right now, they must have caught all these spikes, because that's what we do in that community. We always call out for times to when we feel the spike is about to occur and everybody places their trade. So if you haven't joined the community, endeavor to do so. All right, it's a very wonderful community. That's a community where you have all the traders. All right, all the traders in that community, I have trained them all. I have taught them all they need to know about the boom and crash markets, how to create strategies like this that I create. I've taught them all. I've taught them how to apply price action to their trading. So in that community, we all interact together, we all give signals, we all analyze together, and we call for entries together. So you want to make sure you be part of that community if you haven't joined it yet. Okay, to be able to join it, the only thing you need to do is to purchase the boom and crash training course. All right, once you have purchased it, it contains videos of practical trainings. So once you have purchased it and watch those videos, you need to get back to me after 3 or 4 days, or how many days it takes you to study all the videos. Okay, once you come back to me, I will give you an exam. That exam is just an exam to prove to me that truly you studied this contents and you know how to do what it is that was taught in that content. So that's the way that's what you need to prove to me. And once I see it, I will congratulate you and give you the link to join the traders community. That is, I'm just trying to make sure that people who join the traders community are not just people who want to come and look for who to give them signals. No, but rather it should be people who know how to look out for the signal, people who know how to analyze the market and even know when the signal is when the spike could be coming. All right, I want to make sure that everybody in that community are boom and crash traders. So it's not a community for anyhow people to just come and make noise in the group. No. All right, so that's what makes it special. So endeavor to join the community if you haven't. So you can always make sure you DM me. My link is on the description below. Send me a DM and we talk and you enroll for it. Okay, so now let me give you all the settings because I don't want to forget that. Already I've given you the rules that you must follow to be able to do it right here. And number 2, make sure you test run it severally on your demo till you learn how to take good entries with it. Then you can confidently get into your real account and stay on a low lot size. Okay, then what else? Okay, now the zoom level, as you can see, let me take it to the very last zoom level and see. I'll take it in. All right, now let's take it up once, and that's the zoom level. Okay, take it into the last, then bring it up once, and that's the zoom level. Okay, then is a 1 minute time frame strategy. You want to make sure you learn how to use other time frames to judge when price has really gotten to overbought or oversold. What that video is in the description below. Then the settings is just 3 different indicators. We have the Ichimoku to be 9, 20 and 20. All right, then seconds, the token send to be 4 pixel and whatever color you desire. Then other ones, make them the color of your background except the up kumo. Okay, that's, you put a color that you want. Then what else? You click done. Okay, once you click down, you go straight to moving average. Under the moving average, you have the period to be 90, shift a 0, simple, open, then 3 pixel, no level. Okay, leave it no level. You click on done. And then lastly, your relative strength index, period to be 14, apply the close, style 1 pixel, then your level should be 80 and 20. If you want, you can decide to add one more level, let's say 70. Okay, you can add 70. You can also add let's say 10. Okay, and that I'll put it like this, 10. Okay, so now we have these two here. All right, so with 70, whenever it crosses 70, you already know that, okay, you can call it an overbought already. But for proper confirmation and better trading experience, you want to see it really cross 80 and begin to come down. The same thing applies vice versa to the downtrending move. Okay, Whenever it gets oversold and crosses 20 and even crosses 10 is also a good indication that price will really spike so high, just as what you've seen here. All the way from here to here is quite a lot of money. All right, if not, I wanted to give you guys this training right now. I should have placed a buy if I was still at watch and watching the market. Okay, so endeavor to apply proper risk management, apply price action. In our Facebook page, I'll be teaching you guys all these things that you need to understand about support and resistance, price action. So endeavor to join the Facebook page. Always share and let's keep growing together. This is the way you keep proving to me that you love what I'm teaching you, and I'll keep teaching you as much as possible. All right, for the meantime, I remain your one and only Forex Q coach, Team Legend. Keep winning.